Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to upload and add your logo to your Canva presentation. So first open your Canva project, either start a new design or open an existing template. Once your design is ready, go to the left hand side and click on Elements. Now here you have to search for logos and there are so many logos option available as you can see here. So I am choosing this logo, and after that you are able to adjust it according the size you want, and you can place it where you want your logo. And after that you will see here there are three dots. Click on this and then choose layers. Now as you can see there are two options, send backward or send to back. So choose this, and this will automatically apply to your Canva design. Now, once you are happy with the placement, click on the share button at the top right side, download and export it in your preferred file format. And that's it. That's how you upload and add your logo to your Canva presentation. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.